What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some, well, it's basically chicken and peppers and over some rice, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, chicken and peppers, you got something spicy, nicey, and ooh, so good. Well, kind of something like that. See, the thing about this is, you know, I cook so much stuff here on the show and here in the house, I get tired of having the same old thing, so I'm thinking to myself, what can we do that's a little bit different, you know, so we're not just sitting there, you know, watching the old Golden Girls and maybe, so, we can, do this. Now, I had some chicken in the fridge, and I said, well, let me just go get some peppers and some rice, and I'm going to make it nice, and I'm going to show you how to nice. So, I have these thin, chicken breasts today, and you know, it ain't the, don't say that. Now, they were nice, they were a nice cut, they sure were, and had a great personality, too. So, we're going to go ahead and put some butter down in the pan, and I'm going to put those in there and just lightly salt those, because I don't want too much flavor just yet. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Now, put those in there. While those are in there going, let's chop up our vegetables. And I went ahead and got some peppers. Now, to me, you can get the green peppers if you want. I got these assorted peppers because number one, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, did you get them because it would make it look oh so beautiful? Well, you thought that I would have done that, but I got them because they were on sale, and it's gonna taste the same as the damn green. You can get whatever you want though. So go ahead and get them, cut them up, and then a big old onion, boy. You know, kind of make you cry like you're in there listening to Dolly Parton singing about, oh my God, I'm so sad. So, cut that onion up. Everything's cut up. And by that time, that chicken, you know, if you got it on medium heat, medium high, it should be pretty good to go. Now, I'm going to take a fork and cut it in the pan. You're saying to yourself, like, oh, damn, boy, you cutting it right there in the skillet. You're not really supposed to be doing that. Well, I know I'm not supposed to be doing that, but I ain't got time to take it out and make another dish and then put it back in this dish and forget it all. I ain't got time for that shit. So, I'm going to cut it up right there and dump my vegetables right in with it, which is a touch more butter because you know what I say, baby, more butter. More better. It's that Fabio, I can't believe, is so much damn butter. So, we put that in there, and I'm going to put a lid on it and just kind of let it steam. Turn it down just a little bit and let it steam, heat in there, kind of like Kramer in that sauna. So, we'll be saying nothing in there, Kramer. Now, we're going to go ahead and let that steam, and once it's looked pretty good, now we're going to flavor it up. And I'm basically going for a taco flavor today, so I'll just a little salt, pepper, some garlic. I'll show you all the seasonings right here to just make it happen, baby, make it good. Now, once you get that done, it's time to make that rice. You're saying to yourself, like, oh, well, get that tuna out of there, because we ain't having tuna tonight, that's for later. And did you make that homemade rice? Did you get that dry rice and make that rice and that wok? Well, I didn't, because you know me. Make a time for that shit. So, went ahead and got this bag today. And the thing about it was, I was talking to my brother about Chipotle burrito. I might have there again been watching Golden Girls. So, and I was like, man, why the damn Chipotle burrito so good? He said, it's that lime and cilantro rice. And I'll be damned if I wasn't looking over there for the rice in the bag that I like. They had some sitting right there, and I said, you know, I'm going to try that out tonight. So, got some of that. Heat it up in the microwave, and now we're ready to put this plate together. Let's go ahead and put some of that rice down on the bottom, baby, and say, lay me down, Mr. Rice, and make it good. So, now we've got the chicken stuffed mixture on top. You know, just let that go until your vegetables get sauteed. They're Big Daddy on low to make it go, and then we're going to put it on the plate. Now, I'm done talking, I'm done yapping, I'm ready for some action. So I'm ready for a sight and a big bite of these pepper and chicken and deals tonight. I don't care what it is called, I just want it right now. So, alright, baby, the time has come. The chicken and pepper over the bed of rice is done. And I remember that first bite for myself, and I can't hardly wait because the smell, man, is good. And you know, it looks like a fancy old dish, but we really didn't do that damn much, did we, Daddy? No. Get some flavors in there. The seasoning, man, and the butter. Got that good caramelization. And the white rice, cilantro, lime, whatever the hell kind of rice you got. Really balance it out, man. Make it a whole damn meal. Don't mind if I go back. Hold on for me. That's damn good. a delicious meal. Not crazy expensive, and really, you could use pork. Might even mess around and use beef if you want to, season it the same way. I think it's really going to work for anything and everybody. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Outlaw. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to clean this plate, get another plate, see about something else. If you know what I'm talking about. So, I'll see you next time. Love ya. Watch out.